In this video, I will show you how to apply design in subject in Photoshop. Go to Object Selection tool. Select this area. Press Ctrl J to make a copy. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Unhide this image layer. Down the opacity. Adjust the image. Opacity 100%. Right-click and choose Create a Clipping Mask. Change the Blending Mood Multiply. Right-click and choose Blending option. Follow the process. Press OK. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorial.